Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, ma'am. I can hear you.
Okay. Loud and clear?
Yeah, it's okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm well. So, what's your name?
My name is Diksha.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm basically from Assam.
Assam. Wow.
Yeah. So my same question to you. So, where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra.
You're from Maharashtra. That's in Mumbai.
There's something called as Pune as well in Maharashtra, not just Mumbai.
Oh, okay. It's fine. Okay, no problem.
No, I'm just joking. Usually people they just say Mumbai, Mumbai. Whenever they hear Maharashtra, all they say is Mumbai.
Yeah, someone is as I know that's it's before it was Maharashtra and now it's called Mumbai. Like
No, before it was called Bombay. Now it has been called Mumbai.
okay, fine, no problem.
Yeah,
So, ma'am,
wonderful.
what's your occupation?
I am a second year student of Masters in Public Health.
Okay, fine.
What do you do?
Actually, I'm doing my business in my village, and this is a small business as a
Hmm?
shop and a retailer shop. It's a cosmetic like this.
Why do you want to work why do you want to work on your English?
No, actually, it's my pleasure because I want to speak English with everyone around the world. But actually, I
Mm-hmm.
am also not a higher educational person. I just trying to speak with different countries with the people around
Mm-hmm.
the all over the world. But I just want to trying to speak. I actually main reason that's I want to learn the language.
Okay.
So I am here
How
and I'm
many
speaking.
how many sessions have you had with us?
This is my second session with Clapingo, and I
Okay.
and before I have appoint and Clapingo demo session, but unfortunately I could not attend with this because of my personal reason.
But now you all get the freedom and the opportunity to choose your own classes, right?
Yeah, this is my own session, which is I have
Mm.
pay for this one.
Okay. So that's wonderful. All right. Do you know how to cook food?
Yeah, I can make bread.
You can
Yeah,
make what?
actually, bread. It's roti.
Ooh. Okay, bread, roti.
Yeah. Yeah,
Roti
actually,
is different.
I was being to outside from out of my house, and that time I have learned to how to make breads, how to make cooks rice like this, and I have most of the cooks I can make by myself.
Okay. So you had been out of your house for a particular purpose?
4 years,
Were
four
you
years,
like,
yeah, yeah, 4 years.
were you studying?
Sorry, ma'am.
Were you studying that time?
No. Actually, I was not studying there. I was doing for my job.
That you had been there for your job
Yeah.
and you came back. When did you come back home during the lockdown?
I have came back to home. It's after 4 years.
Yeah, but when? In 2000 which
Oh,
year?
yeah, that was at 2018 in February.
So you, what job kind of job did you have?
That was a garments company,
Hmm?
and I was my designation was
Okay. So why did you drop out of school? You did not wish like studying further.
Yeah. Actually, someone maybe think that I am minimum 12th class pass, but it's not. I'm absolutely not done 12th class. I just done my 10th class only.
Hmm, that's okay. That's all right. But any
So,
particular
ma'am,
reason why you
ma'am,
didn't continue?
may I ask you one thing?
Hmm?
How to improve my English skill quickly?
See, firstly, there is no shortcut.
Hmm.
Okay, try to understand this. But if in case you put all your dedication and focus into learning English,
Hmm.
you might be able to learn it quickly. Okay, that's the trick is like most of the learners, what they do, they just spend 15 minutes, they just have a conversation and then they go. They do not do anything extra in the whole day to work on the English.
Hmm.
Getting it? But if in case you really wish to work on your English, you can like whatever stuff we tell you to read newspapers, articles, find out new words, or watch videos, do this, do that, whatsoever we tell you. If in case you do it daily, you invest more time in it, you are more focused on it, then hopefully you will fasten the process.
Hmm. Actually, main reason is no one is here to practice every day in English. That's the main reason for me. That's the main reason, and I have searching lot of application in YouTube, in Google, but finally there is all fake. I know, but I decided to take the subscription in Clippingo because it's affordable for me. Also, it's costly,
Mm.
but other than it's not costly.
We have tried to keep the prices quite low. Okay, it's like I've seen the prices, but we cannot go. That's the minimum. We cannot go below that because it would actually mean nothing.
Yeah, I understand, ma'am.
So we have our reasons. You all have your reasons.
Ma'am, actually,
Anyway,
this is my second time to speaking in front with someone like you, and
mm,
I have never been speak with someone before clapping your apps.
okay. Did you try any other particular apps before Clubbingo?
No, actually, I have been using the apps Open Talk. It's a audio call. It's free, and I have been using. It's like 2 months has gone.
Hmm. Okay. See, as far as you're saying, the thing that you're saying that you do not have anyone to talk to in English. That
Yeah,
is
right.
a major concern of almost all the learners. Okay, we are
Actually, ma'am,
surrounded by localites.
ma'am, do you know that actually sometime I speak with myself in mirror. It's very
In front
funny
of the
for me.
mirror. Okay. See, speaking in front of the mirror, we tell the learners why, so
Yeah,
that
yeah.
they
Well,
learn to.
I speak with myself when I got a free time and when I stay in home alone. That time I try to speak with myself.
You try to speak with yourself. Is it in English?
Yeah. Is it in English? And I think in English, and I also that actually I'm thinking for with myself, and also I respond by myself.
Okay. So you are having a two type of
Yeah.
conversation with yourself.
It's my two and session with Clapingo.
Hmm. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay. So for those, there's one thing that I would like you to do. Okay, one more extra work that you can do if in case you have that much time
Mhm.
and because you want to learn things fast.
Yeah,
You need to
I'm
watch
very
series.
I'm very excited to learn English, and it's my pleasure because whenever I can speak with someone, that time I feel very happy on that moment.
It is very and not berry.
Mhm.
Okay. Yeah, it's like try to say very, don't say berry. The pronunciation part you need to work on. So listen, now what I'll tell you is like, do you like to watch series?
Sorry, I can't hear.
Do you like to watch series
Do
like
you like to
videos,
watch movie?
series, movies, nahi, series? Forget about movies. I'm talking about series, any particularly YouTube series, Netflix, Amazon. There's so many series, serials.
Serials, series, series.
Mm.
I understand now. Yeah, I watch most of the time. Even I'm not watching like most of the time, but before 1 year ago, I was watching serial. Is CID, which is telecast on
Mm.
Sony Live, maybe.
Yes, yes, I know. I know. And I think it is no more aired on Sony Live now.
Mm.
No.
Now,
But
now
I'm
I
talking
am
about
now I am every day try to watch English space on YouTube, and I follow
oh,
Shah Rukh Khan's talk in English. I follow most of the celebrities who are speak fluently,
mm,
and there are most many of video available on YouTube, and I am still watching their video.
okay. So, Firdaus, do one thing. Forget about those people. I
Okay,
mean, it's good that you're watching their videos, but besides that, you can watch any particular series, English series, okay, on maybe Netflix or else Amazon Prime. We usually
okay, thank
recommend
you.
people to we usually recommend people to watch Friends. It has shorter episodes, longer seasons. Okay, so it's worth
Okay, ma'am.
considering.
So you have also maybe most of idea how to improve my English. So do you know someone to like? I will see them and I can speak like those people who can speak fluently. So would you like to suggest me some kind of video and some kind of people
You can watch Friends. Friends is a series.
series? What series it's?
Friends. Friends. Friends.
Friends. Okay.
Yes. Why Friends? It has very small episodes. Not everyone has that much time to spend one hour of watching episodes, right? The episodes are only of like say 20-25 minutes. So it's quite small. It's nice. It's
Okay, okay.
more precise. So as far as your English is concerned, you can like pick a character, mimic the character. Only the
Mm,
language of the character. Okay, you don't have
okay.
to go into mimicking the person. And then you compare. You record yourself and then you compare with the word like
Mm,
sentences, whatever the actor is saying, and the sentences that you say. Okay, the recording and
okay, okay.
whatever. Whatever errors you find,
Mhm.
especially like the pronunciation part or the sentence formation part, you repeat it. You correct yourself. Okay, get it right. That is another thing that you can do with yourself.
Ma'am, I think
And
my time has going to expire because it's going 14 minutes already has gone.
okay, so I think that's it for today's session then. Did you
Yeah,
get
yeah.
everything that I've told you?
Sorry, ma'am.
Did you get everything that I've told you?
Yeah, yeah. Ma'am, okay, then I'll talk to you again and see
Mm,
you again.
yep. All right.
So it's pleasure to talk with you, and I'm very happy for giving me
Mm,
your time and you learning me. So I'm very happy to you.
thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.